Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send a Canva newsletter with Mailchimp. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to ensure that your Canva is connected on your Mailchimp account. So I have already connected my Canva in my previous video. You can check in our channel. We have a tutorial on how to link your Mailchimp to Canva. If you haven't done so, please check that out. And once you have done that, all you're gonna do is go to the left side of your dashboard where it says create. Alright, so we need to create a newsletter using an email. So from here, all you're gonna do, now we need to click on email. So basically you have the option to have a regular plain text or a specified template, which you can always choose if you wanted. And all you're gonna do is click on get started. Now after clicking that, you will be given to a new page wherein these are the options that you have. You can start from scratch. You can have a creative assistant using an AI, or you can use the Mailchimp templates. But be mindful that some of the templates here are part of the Pro subscription, and not everything is free, so you have to be aware of that. Now, say for example, you wanted to use the minimal approach or natural approach. It's up to you. But for now, let's choose the minimal approach. Click on apply, and you can name your template into, say for example, why not how to send a Canva newsletter with Mailchimp. Now when you save that, of course, obviously you can have the option to customize the way you wanted to send a Canva newsletter with Mailchimp. All right, and as I've said earlier, some of the templates that Mailchimp has is part of the Pro subscription plan. Now if you wanted to get by using the free subscription, all you're gonna do, but you wanted still to send a professional looking newsletter here in Mailchimp, all you're gonna do is to customize these parts of the templates here using your Canva account. Now from here, all we're gonna do is we need to get over to our Canva account. As you can see, these are the components. You have the basically the header, and all of these are customizable depending on your preference and style, of course. Now from here, you need to go to the search bar option on the top of your interface and type in logo for the header on the layout of your Mailchimp. Now you can choose whatever you wanted, but again, same as Mailchimp, some of the logos are only available on the Pro subscriptions like Canva. So you need to choose a logo that is not part of that. Now say for example, you've decided to go on this one. You click on the news, and you can always choose customize this template. Now when you've done that, you have another option here. Click on share. Obviously you need to download it on a different format such as JPEG or PNG, because you're gonna save it later on your Mailchimp layout editor. All right, click on download, or if you wanted, you can also use it as part of the messaging. Click on Mailchimp so that it'll be directed to the Mailchimp platform. And once you have done that, let's head over to our Mailchimp editor. Now from here, all you're gonna do is click on your logo and click on set logo. These is where we need to upload the logo we have created on the Canva. Click on that, and it'll load automatically, as you can see it from here. And you have the option to make it bigger, smaller, or even the opacity if you have that option. And again, you can use some of the text here so that you have all the customization that you can do in order to send a Canva professional looking newsletter without subscribing to their Pro plan. right? Now, once you have done that, all you're gonna do is save and exit. And once you've done that, as you can see, the template is already saved in your folder. And you have the option to edit, create an email, preview, share, and replicate. Now, when you click on create email, this is the fun part wherein you can customize the recipients from to even the subject and also some contents that you wanted. As you can see, this is the template that we created earlier. All right. So again, if you wanted to choose another logo, you can always hover down to your Canva and create a new one and save it. And obviously go to the Mailchimp editor to have it replaced. It's that easy. And again, you can share your email from here. This is the Mailchimp link. You can add a social post to your email. You can connect to Facebook, connect to X, connect to Instagram if you have that account. And obviously, you have the option to set and tracking to your Google Analytics email campaign. Now, we have a separate video from connecting your Mailchimp to Google Analytics. You might want to check on that. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.